Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line annotations are coming from here. And overall, this is one of those charts that had some good news and some bad news with it. So we'll start off with the bad news. The bad news is that it essentially turned out to be a gap and trap, where this morning the price, to take a step back, on Monday the price closed right there, and then this morning the price opened up there. So that was what we would call a gap up, because the price opened up higher than where it had previously closed. Problem is, after the gap up, nothing played out at all, and the price just completely collapsed right back down. But that's also what brings us to the good news part is, yeah, sure, there was a gap and trap. Yeah, sure, the price did completely give up all its gains from that opening gap, but at least the price maintained up above this area of support right here at the 15-cent mark, which I talked about previously. So does that mean that, everything's ruined? No, absolutely not. In fact, you could argue that much more that, maybe this is some sort of bottom that's finally taking place. Now, on that same note, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has gone sideways again here at 15 cents does not mean that for sure guaranteed 15 cents is the bottom and that this thing's getting ready to go up to 30 cents. That's not my point. My point is at least it's at least a rational thought to continue to have, to think that, yeah, maybe, just maybe, 15 cents is establishing itself as an area of support. So on that note, if you haven't connected those dots, 15 cents, very, very important level of support going forward. In the event that level does not hold up, then the must-hold level would be down there at 12 cents. And then on the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep a very close eye on that purple line right there, which is the very well-known, very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued at 19 cents. All in all, though, like I said, some good news, some bad news, but let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.